everyone, and welcome to the Jingly Jangly Jungle. Hello, Rara. What are you up to today?
I'm waiting for Oo. We're going to Topsy's party.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
Yes, I'm helping with the games, so I don't want to be late. Hooray! Hi, Rara. I can't wait for the party. Come on! Wait for me, Oo. Can we play a party game now, Topsy? Please? Not yet, Cookie. We need to wait for Rara and Oo. Why? Rara's going to help me with the games. Ah! There you are! Now we can play some games. Yes! And this is our first one. What is it? What is it? It's called Stick, Stack, Sticks. Ooh! How do we play? How do we play? We all have to take a stick from the stack without it falling over. Watch! Stick, stack, sticks. Stick, stack, sticks. Which stick shall I pick? Stick, stack, sticks. This one. Hooray! Your turn, Topsy. Stick, stack, sticks. Stick, stack, sticks. Which stick shall I pick? Stick, stack, sticks. This one. Phew! Hooray! Well done, Topsy! Is it my turn now? Please? Yes, Oo. Oo, hooray! Stick, stack, sticks. Stick, stack, sticks. Which stick shall I pick? Stick, stack, sticks. This one. Whoops. Hooray! That was funny. Can we play again? I don't think I'm very good at stacking sticks. Can we play another game? OK. What's the next game, Rara? Pass the parcel. Perfect. That sounds fun. How do we play? Come on. Everybody sit in a circle. When the music stops, you take off a layer of paper. And whoever takes the last piece of paper off keeps the parcel. Ready, everyone? Ready! Oh, it's me! Hooray! Well done, Huffy! Oh, it's my turn! Yay! Well done, Topsy! I hope it stops with me. It did! Hey, hooray! Uh-oh. Oh, sorry, everyone. Oh, that's okay, Oo. It was an accident. We can play another game instead. Can't we, Rara? Yes! It's musical statues next. Yay! How do we play? Everybody dance to the music. And then, when it stops, you have to stand very still. Ooh, this sounds fun. I'm good at dancing.
supposed to stand still when the music stops.
Oh. Let's play again. And remember, Oo, when the music stops, stand very still. OK, this time I'll try really hard. What's wrong, Oo? I'm no good at any of your games, Rara. Oh, poor Oo. Let's think of a game you are good at, Oo. Yes!
What are you doing, Rara?
I'm trying to think of a party game that everybody is good at. I know!
Have you thought of one, Rara?
What if we play the same games, but differently?
What do you mean, Rara?
You'll see. Ready, Oo? But Rara, I'm no good at sticking sticks. I just knock them over. Ah, but this game is called Tumbling Towers. You have to knock them over. Oh, hooray! Oh. Your turn, Oo. Hooray! Well done, Oo. Wow, I did it! Tumbling towers, down they come. Tumbling towers, oh, it's fun! Now it's time to dance. But this time, when the music stops, everybody wiggle and jiggle as fast as you can. Yay! Well done, Oo! You're definitely the best wriggler jiggler. Wriggle jiggle everyone, wriggle jiggle lots of fun. Wriggle jiggle everyone, wriggle jiggle lots of fun. Ah, thanks for making up new games I'm good at, Rara. I love them. Well done, Rara and Oo. Now we've got lots of fun new games to play. My party's the best ever. Yay!
Is this another new game, Rara?
Yes! This is my favourite party game. Catch the Noisy Lion.
There are lots of games in the jingly jangly jungle, games that everyone can enjoy.